Chewy's results are also out. Courtney Reagan with those numbers. Courtney.
Hi, Sarah. So you can see shares of Chewy here under pressure as the company does put out the earnings release for the second quarter, down about 9%. The revenues are missing slightly at $2.16 billion. The street was looking for closer to $2.2 billion. That does represent, though, a 27% growth. The CEO, who I know you're going to have on shortly, says that active customers increased 21% in the quarter and 13% increase in net sales per active customer. But so far, the street is not impressed with that. The shareholder letter is just now being posted. And when we get more, we will come back to you, Sarah. I know you have Sumit Singh, who is going to be on your show as well. Over to you.
Talk to him in just minutes. The conference call. This is down about 10%. Josh, this was the winner, not pandemic, but had been growing pre-pandemic. The thought was that maybe even if we've seen a peak in pet adoption during COVID, people are still going to be spending a lot of money on their pets. Still seeing double-digit in number of customers, revenue, but the expectations pretty high.
I think there's a market story that happened with the pandemic, but I also think the secular bull market here that can go on for years and years to come as pets become just more and more like members of the family. This is the type of company partly positioned to benefit. I was in LA last week. My friend Brooke Hammerling got her dog Kato tattooed onto her arm. It's a cost for life for Chewy, and more Americans are coming that way. So I do this thing long. I echo something Antoli said in an earlier segment. It's a great operator in a sometimes difficult space. Like selling dog food is not always easy, but if they're going to kill this thing on one quarter because of a whisper number and you're bullish on the space, I would step in and buy it. I think it's one of the better new IPOs of the last few years.
So you're saying maybe they should get into tattoo business?
I'm saying they should absolutely be getting into dog tattoos. No, I think, listen, there are very few pure plays on pets. You can do health, Zoetis, and they're a player, and you could do pet retail, and this is the best name in that space. So I think if you like the space, you want to take these types of where people are being short-sighted.